For the information of our morning visitors, the vessel now entering Duluth piers is the self-unloading bulk freighter Paul R Tregurtha. The Tregurtha was built in 1981 by the American Shipbuilding Company at Lorain, Ohio. She was the last of the 1,000-footers built on the Great Lakes and also happens to be the largest of the 1,000-footers. She measures 1,013.5 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. This is a design draft. The vessels like the Tregurtha can load down to 27 feet on most of the ports in the Great Lakes. They're fitted with 36 hatches or openings atop their deck. Below deck, the Tregurtha is divided into 5 cargo compartments. They're coming in empty and will be going over to Midwest Energy Terminal here in Duluth, expected to pick up about 64,000 tons of low sulfur coal before departing our piers. We expect that the Tregurtha should be in port around 10 to 12 hours and should be departing this evening. Our best guess sometime between about 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Most of the vessels on the Great Lakes, known as lakers, are now self-unloaders. Across the back of her deck, she's fitted with a 250-foot self-unloading boom. This boom is part of a conveyor system that connects below the cargo compartments. It allows them to unload their own cargo without using shoreside equipment. They can unload coal at the rate of about 4,000 tons per hour. You've just heard, one long and two short, is the traditional captain's salute, exchange between the captain on the Paul R Tregurtha and the bridge tenders on the aerial bridge. Paul R Tregurtha is powered by 2 diesel engines that generate about 17,000 horsepower. They have an average traveling speed of about 14 to 15 miles per hour. They're also equipped with a bow thruster for greater maneuverability and 2 variable pitch propellers. As they go under the aerial bridge, you'll see them begin to pivot as they use their thruster and their variable pitch propellers to gain easier access to the inside shipping lanes. Paul R Tregurtha is owned by the Interlake Steamship Company. Their offices are located in Cleveland, Ohio. The next traffic here at the Duluth Ship Canal should be the arrival of Philip